Welcome to EMT-CE.com, the easiest way to recertify your state and national EMS certifications. We understand that the recertification process is tricky. If you're not sure what you need for your specific state, then fill out our questionnaire to identify the perfect package. Once you've checked out on our secure system, you can log in and begin taking courses immediately. Take any F3 course from our extensive library. And schedule your F5 courses easily all in one place. We've simplified how to manage your records and certificates and ensure you'll be compliant in case of an audit. View, download, and print your certificates. EMT-CE has everything you need to keep you certified. Affordable, easy-to-maintain compliance, constantly updated courses, 100% online, CAPC accredited, NR EMT approved. Get started today.